Look, over 50% of all the homeowners out there have at least 50% equity in their home. Are you one of those people that the credit card debt keeps going up? People are complaining about money, but they have the best opportunity right in their laps. They just don't know how to use it. There's a bunch of ways that you can leverage your equity and help you grow your wealth, grow your net worth. And if this seems a little overwhelming for you, how about just make more money? So what we like to do with our agents on the Edrington team is not just help you just see another house. We want you to actually understand from an advisor point of view what you have the ability to do just with a little bit of knowledge. So it could be just having a conversation with one of our agents and having them explain to you, this is how you access your equity safely. We don't want you to touch it unless there's a plan. So we help you build that plan investing in real estate. Now you may say, I don't want to be a landlord. Well, guess what? I'm a landlord and I don't want to be a landlord either. Mailbox money is real. We help connect you with the right property manager that will protect your property and your asset and create some income for you. If this interests you, make sure you click on this ad, give us a call, reach out to us on social media, and we're going to make sure that we just start with a plan so you can make an informed decision.